Yeah, yo. Check the strategy, simple and clean. Pine tree in the building, the trading machine. I'm looking at the charts, not for no drama, just for that sweet setup. Call it the inside bar gamma. It's a tight squeeze, a moment of pause, breaking to the upside or the downside without flaws. It's my bread and butter, my daily routine, capturing them moves, living the dream. Daily payouts, that's the motto, that's the creed. Planting these seeds, watching the money tree feed. With Take Profit Trader, got my account on lock. Apex Trader, no time to watch the clock. My funded futures account is looking so blessed. Pinning trees on the road, putting skills to the test. Yeah. See, the market's a jungle full of noise and of fakes, but I'm focused on the signals, for goodness sakes. That inside bar forms a sign of compressed mic. I wait for the breakout, then I'm in with all my might. Small moves, big impact, stacking every single day. Cashing out that profit, there's no other way. They talk about the long game, the big wild swing, but I'm here for the consistency that daily payouts bring. Daily payouts, that's the motto, that's the creed. Planting these seeds, watching the money tree feed. With Take Profit Trader, got my account on lock. Apex Trader, no time to watch the clock. My funded futures account is looking so blessed. Pinning trees on a roll, putting skills to the test. Yeah. From the start of the session to the end of the line, I'm scaling and I'm swinging, making every penny mine. Don't need 100 points to feel a success, just a few ticks of profit to feel truly blessed. I'm a funded king with a plan so clear. No fear in this game, cause the strategy is here. Yeah, Monetary Trader, you know the name. Daily payouts, ain't it a shame that others are struggling, playing their silly games, while I'm on top, fueling the flames. Take Profit, Apex, my funded, yeah, you heard me right. Staying on that grind from the morning till the night, yeah. Daily payouts. Yeah.
What is up? What is up, everyone? What's up? What's up? What's good? Alexandra. What is up? Try in the house. Hong. Yo. Tony Gold. Coach Fred, what is up? Yeah, had a good day. Yep, good day. Gary, thanks so much for the sub. You and Lanto once again? Yeah, I wish. Holy cow. Dude. Yeah, that's a different league. That's Major League ball. I'm in Little League. Holy cow. Pretty awesome. $1 million in 2 days. I'll take that. Wait, market stop? Market stops for 1 hour a day. I know. 2 days back, and I think he had a good day the day before that too, like a six-figure day. I don't know if it was 500,000, but yeah, I think the day before that he had a good day. So yeah, crushing it. Slick Rick the ruler. What is up? What is up? What is up? How'd you guys do? You guys have a good day? Oh no, Slick Rick, you blew some accounts today. Sorry to hear that. I actually did not blow any accounts today, which is sweet. Yeah, I passed a few accounts. Hit consistency on a few more. Got daily payout on locked in. So this Take Profit Pro account. I didn't take the payout yesterday. So I'm building it up a little bit. Thinking about trying to take it to live, but I don't know. We'll see. I might take the payout tonight though. We'll see. Let's go, Alexander. Just get off work. Let's go. Eric Graham in the house. Lobber Dauber. Yeah, it was quite the day. Just a rug pull at the open. Absolute rug pull. SJP, why is it difficult to trade gold? Because it's not as liquid, right? It jumps around. There's not as much volume in gold. And so it doesn't take much for like a big buyer or seller to come in and really chop it up. It's also very over leveraged. So it's a very over leveraged instrument. So yeah, that's why it's kind of difficult. Because actually, you get those big jumps on gold, right? Well, that's just the big buyer or seller coming in on the real markets and just popping it, right? Because it's not as liquid. But yeah, it can be difficult for sure. Playing around with some colors here. Gold. I was trying something. Is the gold dip buyable? I don't know. I trade bar to bar. I'm a bar to bar trader, Gary. So like on a 5-minute chart, I just kind of trade bar to bar instead of trying to predict levels and things like that. Because at the end of the day, the market's just random, you know. So it's really tough. I mean, you can look for support levels, things like that. But yeah, you can take a look at the daily here. The gold's basically just chopping in this range, right? We're just chopping in this range. Just for days. That's the daily candles. That's the daily chart. I gotta reset up some of this stuff. There we go. So rebuilding my Trade of 8 pack. Indian Burn, what is up? Corey Nichols, first payout from My Fun Futures today. End of the drought. Let's go. Let's give it up for Corey Nichols. First payout with My Fun Futures. Smash the confetti for Corey. That's awesome. Yo, Honest Take. Let's go. Green on the XFAs. Let's go, Honest Take. Smashing the confetti. Blew 2 funding ticks and 2 lucids. Oh, yeah. It's alright. It was a tough, very volatile today. So the market was just super volatile. Pretty big candles. Big, massive candles. You still get the crazy third-party ATM strategies on your template? Yeah. I think I do too still. Yeah, Borex. Oh, Borex TRDX. This is not even my ATM strategy, but it's on there. Got a $1,500 take profit and a $200 stop loss. That's a good R&R. Am I gonna trade gold and NQ like yesterday? Yeah, that's what I'm gonna trade. We'll sling around something. Probably a trade day eval. So I can request a payout. Let's go. So Lucid, 150K account, straight to funded. Got locked into payout last night. So we can check out the details. Here's the calendar. I've gotten 2 payouts on this account, or this is my second payout on this account. See the calendar right here. $3,000 loss. On day 1. Can't really see it because of my... Oh yeah, you can see it. This was this week right here. And yeah, you just go to the payout. So this is what it looks like. You go to your account, request payout, and you can see my last payout here. So here's my last payout on October 26th, not that long ago. So October 26th, took a $3,000 payout, and I'll take another one tonight. I don't want to dox myself. Hold on. All right, submitting the $3,000 payout. Let's see how fast it is. It's pretty fast with Lucid. So submitted. It's pending. Pending. Refresh. Approved. Dang, what was that? Less than a minute? So approved in less than a minute with Lucid, guys. Use code PINE if you want to check out Lucid. 40% off direct and test accounts. Second payout with this account right here. This account's still looking good. Yeah. So it's just like that. It's just that easy. Not that easy, but that easy with Lucid to request a payout and get approved. So very fast, and that's what we like. We like fast payouts. All right, back to the chat. What is up? What's up? His Royal Trades, SJP. Should size down until the micros instead of minis. Yeah. The TPT account, yeah, it's looking good. $6,284 right now. It's looking good. I'm probably gonna request a payout on it though. Thank you, His Royal. Yeah, I know. That's the good thing. The 150K has that $6,000 drawdown. So, and it's an end of day account. The 150K with Lucid. So yeah, saved myself that $3,600. So that one account I've taken 6K out of. So we'll take that. And they do ACH too. Yeah, that one, Lucid does ACH, so it goes right to my bank. Cranston White, Corey, what is up? Thank you, Hamid. It's Mo, bro. Dave Mack, thank you. Thank you, Sean. Yeah, I just wanted to show you guys like how quick their payouts were. Is Lucid new? They are fairly new. Yeah, they've been around. I don't know how long they've been around, but Lucid Trading. Yeah, you can just use my link to the top of the chat, propcodeshub.com, and then just scroll down. You'll see Lucid. Click on the icon, the picture, and it'll bring you right to their website. Jay Styles. With who? What's going on? Thank you, Jack Boom. Thank you, Trader 007. Moto Trades in the house. James. Trading on Tilt. Let's go. Yeah, Trading on Tilt won a Lucid account earlier, 2 days ago. What's Lucid? Lucid is a prop firm, so it's just a Lucid. It's Lucid Trader Funding. It's just a new prop firm that's on the. It's what I've been trading with it. Let's see. I'll pull up the Project X. So I'm using Project X with them. So here's Lucid. That's funny, my P&L is still on there from yesterday. That's weird. It's a little strange. It's Trading Star, what's up? Payout rules on Lucid, so the 150K is make $9,000, 20% consistency, 8 days traded, and take out $3,000 for the 150K. And that's it for the direct to funded. The test accounts is 5 days, $100 or more, 35% consistency once you're funded. It's a 90-10 split, and you have to a 50K account. You got to get it up to 52,100. That's the buffer balance. And then if you get it over that, say anything over the buffer balance, you can request up to $1,500 and a minimum of $500. Big Tick Energy, so TPT, the last payout I got, which was Monday, it was in my account like in 12 hours or so. So But yeah, they have been a little slow. According to Kellyanne, Miss Kellyanne, she reached out to them. It's because they were updating their website, according to her. So that's why there's been having some delays. They're doing like some major updates. But yeah. They have been a little bit slower. Not gonna lie. She did reach out to them. I'll show you. I was lurking in their Discord. Well, I can't really find it. Yeah, I can't really find it. I'm sorry, I can't find it. I had it. Anyways, yeah, the gist of it that she reached out, and then they had said that they got right back to her because, you know, she's the queen bee. And yeah, they're having some issues, some delays with their website, I guess. So we'll see. Anyways. Hey, Funded Scalper, thanks so much. I think it's 25k. I know, we're just pushing down here. Pushing down, NQ's pushing down. Yuma, what's up? Todd, you in the short, good luck. Markets are open, let's go. But yeah, that's what I got. Big tick energy. I think it's why haven't I taken a payout yet? I probably will. Yeah, I probably will tonight. I was kind of like thinking, like, because I just got a big Lucid payout, and I got a payout with this. I've been getting some payouts with this trade day. So another $752 day today. I was thinking. So I got $724 yesterday, daily payout, and a $751 minus the 80-20 split. And so I was thinking about just building up this Take Profit Trader and getting it to a live account. That's what I was thinking about doing. So I don't know. What's up, Luna? So yeah, so anyways, but we'll see. Alright, let me lock this account out for an hour so I don't accidentally trade it. So I want to take that $700 payout, so. Ready to short? Let's go. check my brackets here. Just kind of do something like this. Good luck, everyone. Thumper, you're long, 289, target 333. Let's go. Digital Nukes in the house. Let's go, Trading Star. You requested 7:30 yesterday morning, but still nothing. Looks like approved on Monday. Oh, yeah, Trading Star. Yeah, for sure. Let's go, Manny. Y'all at 53,100. Let's go. Trade day. It's been great. Before morning. So I'm gonna request one right now. I'm gonna request that right now, actually, as we speak. So trade day's been really good. By tomorrow morning, like if I request now, the time I wake up tomorrow, it's approved. I can trade the account just fine. So I'll request that $752. So then I pocket $600. There. I just requested that trade day payout too. So that's good. So I got the micros pulled up here on gold. I mean on NASDAQ, not gold. What I think is going to be today, bullish or bearish? I don't know. I mean, overall the market was pretty bearish today, but yeah, I don't know. Like, I know I'm weird when it comes to this. For me personally, I do not like having a bias. I like to see what the market's going to do. I like to see how it's going to set up. And then I make my decision as I'm going through the market. Like, I don't like listening to anyone, like in the morning, like before the New York Open or anything. I don't want to hear anyone's opinions on what they think is going to happen. Things like that. Like, for me, I don't like listening to CNBC. I don't like listening to any of the news. It just helps me personally. But I think that, I mean, obviously, the market, we got a big bounce off that dump. Kind of retrace some of the move, but overall the market was just very bearish today, so it's hard not to have that kind of bias. But I'm just gonna trade bar to bar. We'll see what happens. But yeah, thanks for the question though. Long NQ at 277. Let's go. 21 green days in a row on Top Step. Let's go, Smokey. Which account did I start trading? Oh, which account am I trading with Trade Day? It's end of day accounts. Yeah, so Take Profit Trader is the intraday trailing accounts once you become funded. And so with Trade Day, I'm like, I want the end of day accounts. And because of that, I was able to, you know, have a day like I did Tuesday, where I made 14 trades, made $3,200, almost $3,300, but I was able to really push it because it's an end of day account. So once it started building up, I was like, all right, let's keep building it up, and I just squashed the buffer and everything right off the bat. With an intraday account, might have been a little more difficult to have done that personally on that particular account. If that makes sense. Do I know if there's a countdown timer clock? Yes, there is. You just go here, up to the little wheel. I don't know if you can see it, but up in the top right corner of your chart, click the settings, and then the bar countdown setting. and you can do that. Trying along with the micros. I'm looking to take out this ORB to the opposite end. We put in a Harami handle or a pin bar. It was bullish. Closed it, you know, with inside this candle here. So I'm looking to take out the opposite end of this ORB. Stops at the low. Just 5 micros. We'll see what happens. If I get stopped out on this, I'm going to rotate to the other account too. So I'm going to like rotate them. I don't want to dig myself into a big hole on this account. So I'm trying to get these passed. These are trade day evals. Let's take a look at gold. Gold pushing back up. Very thin on this grind down, so not surprised that we won't try to take some of this back and just test these numbers, test these sellers basically. You got a fair value gap sitting up there at 3,995 and 30 cents to like 3,996 and 30 cents, right up through there. We'll see. $44 to the Punisher in the house. Mr. Smith took 60 days off from trading to fix my trading to avoid blowouts. Already killed 5 accounts since. Oh no. Oh no. That's alright. Exactly, Zabak. Yeah, I agree with you. Yeah, news doesn't matter because retail is getting it late anyway. Yeah, that's true. Adele, what is up? What's up, Tony Schwartz? Helpful in the house. What is up, Helpful? Blow up your live accounts coming in. Oh, nice. Yeah, passing those, keeping those TPTs going. Yeah. Well, got an inside bar here, unfortunately. I'm long. Maybe the inside bar will fail. It's kind of what I'm hoping. I'm long, M-Stone. Yeah, I'm long. Let's go, Todd. Y'all done? Let's go. Oh, I'm behind in the chat. Sorry, guys. The end of the day, is it worth it for the extra 15 bucks? I agree. Yeah. Yeah, if you guys want to try out trade day, it's Pine with a capital P. Pine with a capital P if you want 30% off, no activation fee. So yeah, I appreciate that. Once you get past the buffers at basically end of day drawdown, yeah, it's true. Yeah, I don't have a problem with intraday. I mean, if I had to choose between the two, of course I'm going to pick end of day all day, every day. But yeah, I still crush payouts with intraday trailing accounts. I traded it a little bit different. I tend to take profits, scalp it, move my stops quicker, things like that. Terry trades 100 in the house. You short? Good luck. 44 the Punisher. Good luck. Good luck. Coming right back to that VWAP. On Reds? Oh yeah, I lurk sometimes. Sometimes I just don't want to chat. But yeah, I've been lurking at night. No red. You had a good run with the TPT live accounts. Let's go. Got 32,000 in payouts, but still stings to lose it. Yeah. So Take Profit Trader has a great path to a live accounts, like Helpful's talking about. If you saw that guy on Twitter, Lanto, he got $500,000 payout, or $500,000 he made today in 5 Take Profit Trader live accounts. So you can have up to 5. And then he had $500,000 yesterday as well. So that's $1 million he's made in 2 days trading the 5 accounts. That is a sweet thing when it comes to Take Profit Trader Pro Plus accounts. You can have those 5, you know, copy trade them all, you know, if you're a savage like that. So pretty hard to do that with one account. He did it with 5, so $100,000 days with each account. Pretty sweet. So yeah, I mean, Take Profit Trader, you guys know the deal. Use code PINE, all caps. We will do a giveaway later if we get to the likes, 220 likes. I am not going to turn on the exclamation point PINE yet. We got hammered last night with the duplicates and perhaps bots. I don't really know what happened. There was 504 entries. So I'm going to wait a little bit later to turn it on. That's my game plan, because right now I have no other solution. Lanto's a G, no kidding, right? What's up, Sports Don in the house? How was your day, Terry? Did you crush it today? I have a feeling you crushed it. Terry loves these bear days. She loves the bear days. Requested 400,000. Yeah, so tempted. Like for me, like I feel like I just want to request it all. Yeah, he did it today again, Nayo. Yeah. A guy named Lanto on Twitter. Lanto. Latno. Guy's a savage. Let's see how TPT requests it. So it's a live account, Yuma. So they made $100,000, right? Yeah, they made $100,000. So they take with their cut. So if it goes on the live books, there's no risk to them. This is why the terms move you to live. What's the high of this candle here? 311. Terry knows what I'm doing right here. She knows what this trade's all about. How many lots was he trading? You know, to be honest with you, I don't really know. Wow. There's a big rejection there. Big seller came in right there. You know, I don't know how many lots. I don't really know the details. Good night, Trading Star. Thank you so much. Real trading, I agree. I mean, that is a different level. Tommy, yeah, for sure, yeah. Exactly. It's kind of what I'm looking at. What's up, Sherry? Yeah, they make their cut even though he keeps the money in the account. Exactly. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, Take Profit Trader, it's all caps for any code that you use, Labrador, but I appreciate you. Yeah. Yeah, it's Pine with all caps. But yeah, any influencer you use for Take Profit Trader, it's all caps. But I appreciate you using my code, of course. Thank you, Yuma. Yeah, so far, I mean, it's not a great R&R, but I'm basically looking to take out that ORB. Is Lanto the market the whale? I don't know, Terry. You're a whale too, secretly. I know it. Terry, the secret whale. He was in the 60 lots. Wow. Yeah, it's a different level psychologically, right? Because that's all it amounts to. You know, I was talking about this earlier. It's just when you're trading that large of size and to be able to hold through that, it's all about psychology, right? Because like I watched Terry Trades take down 100 points today on stream, on the My Funded Future stream. I mean, she literally took down 100 points. Now, if she was in a 60 lot times 100, you know, like that's what I'm talking about. But psychologically, it's like, how do you, when you see those big numbers flash, it's like you got to build up to that, you know. For me, I'm looking at this 162 bucks that I could take, and I'm just like, you know, that's a lot. Bang. So 154 on that trade. So we'll wait for the next one. Terry was the reason for the flush back in April. Yeah, that's right. Well, those were fun times. All right, getting a little bit of a pullback now. So basically, I was just targeting the top of that ORB. So basically, I was fading people that took the ORB short. Same thing, exact same trade as last night, except tonight was a little bit easier. So exact same trade. Basically, the ORB formed. People like to take the shorts on the ORB. We rejected. We put that hammer candle back in, the Harami. And this inside bar here formed. I was actually already long. I jumped the gun. I should have just waited for the inside bar long. And then just took out this, targeted the stop sitting up above that ORB. That's basically the reason for the trade. Trev, yeah. Stop tempting Terry to full port. I know. Full port Terry's always welcome on this stream. Thank you, Zen. Nice going, Sherry. I love it. Yeah, Sherry loves them inside bars. What's an ORB? ORB is what they call the opening range breakout. So different people use different ORBs. So some people use, so it's like usually like the first bar, right? So whether it's a 3-minute first bar, 5-minute first bar of the session, or a 15-minute. So they call it like the ORB. So it's like the opening range break. So some people trade the 5-minute ORB, some people trade the 15-minute ORB, and basically what it is the first 5-minute opening candle, and they look for the breaks. Excuse me, I just burped in the mic. Yeah. Honest Takes going live with Top Step. Trading inside bars. Yes, he is. Inside bars. You trade the 15-minute orb, Tommy? Nice. Yeah, so many people trade the 15-minute ORBs. That's the hottest one. Some people trade, but they have all different ways that they trade it. Some people wait for the break and a close above it. Some people look for like a retest and then another break, or yeah, there's all kinds of different ways that they can trade it. But yeah, it's a good basis of what the market's gonna do. So if you look at the some people do it during this session too. So you have the first 15-minute ORB right now. It's getting broken to the upside, right? So some people will trade this, and they'll look for a nice solid close above. Let me show it on Trade of 8. It's easier. So here's a 15-minute candle. So what people like to do is they'll look for, actually it never broke yet, but they'll look for a break above there, and then they'll like look for longs or whatever if we get a close above, or some people just take the break and then just ride it up. Things like that. All right, we're pulling back here. What is going on? Oh, you know why? Oh wow, MNQ is way different than NQ at the moment. So NQ is not even stopped out yet. This is actually probably gonna go higher. This is probably gonna get a little pop above here. I'm gonna actually take a long on NQ. I'm gonna take a little risky long. See if NQ gets caught up. Got some price gaps up there at 314, 315. So I was trading the MNQ and it looked way different. So I got to stop down there at 395, risking 300 bucks. So I'll be down 150 bucks if this doesn't play out. If this does play out, I'll be real close to passing this account. Bottom of the hour here. See if we can get that pop up through. Risky play. What up, Nova? So we make new session high here. I'll be moving my stop pretty quick to break even. Cody, I do not. No. No, I do have a strategy with gold that I haven't shared. That is an all-day hold, but it's a very poor win percentage, so I don't share it. But when it wins big. You're basically just catching the trend day. Yeah, no, I'm not. I don't have the diamond hands. Terry has diamond hands. I don't have diamond hands. Have I tried funded next? I have not. Dita. Sorry, I don't know. Did you do that for the evening session too? Sometimes I do, Trev. Yeah, I looked at that first inside bar, but I don't really have a true back tested strat with the first inside bar for the the Globex Open, Trev. So bull flag rip, I'm hoping. PA's very jumpy. Yeah, it's a little thin. I kind of hate where my stop is at the VWAP, but we'll see. Who's that guy? Lanto? Guy that got the $500,000 payout? Lanto. L-A-N-T-O. Music sounds duplicated? You're probably right. I probably have desktop audio on? I do. Sorry. Thank you. It's just the wick that overshot. Kind of was, yeah. I'm just thinking that my basis of thinking that the NQ is going to take out those the ORB stops. So that's my thinking. The first 5, because it didn't on NQ, but it did on MNQ. It's just a nuance, like, I think trade. I don't know. We'll see. Maybe it's a little too aggressive. We do have an inside bar as well right now. So pop to the upside would be good. Pop to the downside might not be so good. What's up, Ethan? Lots of fresh volume above 316. Let's go. Let's pump it up through there. So like I said, if we make new session highs, I'm gonna move my stop pretty quick. Yeah, Autumn 9, yep. What's gold up to? Yeah, gold just bounced off that VWAP. It's looking a little bullish. Kind of taking back this slow grind down. Oh, I hate where my stop is. It's right at that VWAP. I'm gonna risk a little more, guys. I know. I'll hear about it in the comments. Kind of flagging out. Test that VWAP. See if we can push up. This is an eval. See if we can flag out. Don't like it. We put in a kind of a higher, lower high. Don't really like that, but we'll see. Yeah, helpful when you're trading live accounts. There is some things about that. I don't know though. Yeah, I constantly like don't, you know, I'm not running a signal service. You know, I'm just trading for entertainment basically, and just, you know, I want to talk with you guys, hang out. All right, we would have got stopped out on this trade, so let's see if I'm risking another $100. We'll see what happens. Like I said, I get stopped out on this, I'm gonna move to another account. So, but yeah, I hate it that it was sitting right at the VWAP, and see, like, we're bouncing off that VWAP now. I mean, I don't know if we'll hold it, but like, we would have got stopped. No ifs, ands, buts about it, and then it could have just bounced from here and then go right to our TP. It could. Chill until the Asia opens. Let's go, M Stone. Let's go, his Royal. Love it. Oh yeah, I mean, dude, like if I made $500,000 today and then $500,000 yesterday in payouts, oh, I'd be putting it all over everything. For sure. The stream would triple in numbers. It would triple. All right. Kind of like what I was thinking there. We bounced right off that VWAP and right back to entry almost. So let's see if we can actually rip up above this ORB, above the 315s, 316s. MES seems more stable. It is. And people that trade MES are more stable too. Us NQ traders, we're a little wild. We're a little mental. Gold's dumping. Let's check out gold real quick. We'll come right back to this trade. Yeah, gold did sell off today, but yeah, right now gold is pushing higher. All right, we're back in the green in the NQ. Filling up these price orders here. 314s, trying. Getting ready to move my stop. If we can make a new session high, because we could get a little pop and dump. So. How much do I need to pass this? Something like that. I need about that much to pass, I believe, this account. So might not get it all in this one trade, but we'll see. Come on, NASDAQ, pop it. Just a brick wall right here at 313. It's a brick wall. Let's see if we can get up over that. ES just took out the highs of the day. Let's go, M Stone. Let's see if NQ can pop. I don't like that ES took it out first, but an NQ is not. NQ is gold was in the sink, yeah. With NQ for sure. Making you lose your short. 44 Punisher. Someone's gonna win. There's got to be a long and short in this market, or there is no market. What's up, Tim? There's a pivot here. That's resistance. Yeah, that's probably what it is, Tony. Sitting right at that resistance. Come on, just pop it. Building up pressure like a pressure cooker. It's gonna pop the top. It's gonna do it. It's just being stubborn. So I'll show you what I'm looking at here so you guys can see the little orders. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. Trailing stop here. Come on. Come on. Hit it. Hit it. Oh, it just missed my TP by just a few ticks. Alright, so I need 50 bucks. I need 50 bucks to pass this account. So We'll be real patient. Yeah, which is exactly. That's why I ended up trailing that stop. I was like, as soon as it pops that new session high, I was gonna trail it stop real quick. Guys, I lost that account needing $100 the other day on stream, so it's like that. Today's another day, but still. Yeah, I was getting ready to show something. So what I was trying to show here is, like, see on the DOM here, you have these open orders that never get filled, and watch them come down and get filled, right? See these see, there's one. See if it comes down to the 1450s. So it's a little trick at night. See if it comes down to 1450 and 14,000 to fill them. See how it skipped over these orders? That bang bang. See how it just filled them? See how it does that? So that's a cool little trick you can see on the DOM. And so when I was on that pop, I was looking, and there was these open orders that were sitting up there from the open that were all left blank. There was like 4 or 5 of them. So that's just a little trick. $100 and blew it, helpful? Oh yeah. Oh, let's go with it. How many accounts do I copy trade? I don't really copy trade any accounts. If I copy trade, it's within if I copy trade, it's within the firm itself. So like if I have like 5 My Funded Future accounts, I'll copy trade those. Stuff like that. Thought I hated the DOM? No, not me. I think that's 0 day. Hates the DOM. I've been using the DOM ever since I started trading. Yeah, I can't live without the DOM. 5 minutes should do the trick? Yeah. Yeah, helpful. It was just the pressures of the stream, you know. Alright, you're ripping higher here. We set a bracket here, 55 bucks I need. What am I looking at the DOM for? Yeah, I was just showing what I like to look at sometimes for those open orders. But besides that, I like to use it for executions. I just always have. I've been literally doing it since like 2021. So we'll see. Bang, pass that account. Sorry, I was holding my breath. So just like I was looking for on the DOM right there, that we had some open orders. So we pulled back real quick and had those open orders were sitting there from the pop up. So I just hopped in short. I was just looking for 50 bucks. So I just had a little bracket for $55 and took it back. Yeah, I'm not looking. Yeah, Cody, I'm not looking at the orders. I'm not looking at level 2 orders. It's literally the orders that got skipped over. So like the prices got skipped, basically, because it moved so fast that and the market's not very liquid at night, so it literally skipped over those numbers. So I'm not looking at orders that people are putting on the book, like with Bookmap. It's different, yeah. These are orders that are already been filled. These are orders that are already been filled. So sometimes I'll look for that for like little scalps and things. Shahid, I do not know when the My Funded Future deal ends. No, if I had to guess, it's gonna be by next week, like by Sunday. Like if I had to guess, like they usually start new every week with something different. So yeah, get that deal in when you can. You can only use it 5 times. So $59 for the Core Flex. My Funded Futures, use code PINE. So it's 5 uses. I passed 2 My Funded Future core accounts today. So back with some funded accounts. Thank you, Tommy. Thank you, Benjamin. Thank you, Todd. Thanks guys. Appreciate that. Post a video on over the Discord with that guy that trades at Dom, never looks at charts. Oh sure, yeah, Thumper. You can post on the Discord. It's fine. If anyone wants to join the Discord, it's completely free. I'll put the link in the chat. There's a link there. Smash that like button if you haven't already, guys. I appreciate it. We get 220 likes tonight. We'll do a giveaway. We got 225 people watching, so 220 likes shouldn't be that bad. I'm giving away another Lucid account, guys. Another Lucid account. So we'll do a moose race. Tonight's like my Friday. This is when I like to do giveaways anyway. It's on Thursday nights because I don't stream tomorrow night, right? And then we're getting a nice pullback here. I'm gonna lock this account out. So that account is passed. Bang. Let's see if we can pass another one. So you can have 3 funded accounts with Trade Day. So so now I have 2, which is sweet. This one is locked out for a payout for tonight. And I get this one, I gotta pass. So I'm gonna pass this one. It's almost passed. I wish I was copy trading them, but those 2 and then it would have both been passed, but it is what it is. I could have blown them both too. There's always that. Yeah, so we haven't done I haven't done the exclamation point pine in the chat yet, guys, to enter, so that way I don't know, I'm gonna do it probably in like 45 minutes because we got bombarded last night with fake accounts and stuff. It was nuts. 504 entries was insane. Do I watch SK? I do, yeah. Sometimes helpful. I do SK on My Funded Future show. Yeah, I do. I pop on usually when I'm eating dinner. I'll watch him. I watch Wes. I watch Red. I watch. Sometimes I'll watch Dakota too. I'll watch some Dakota. Whatever. Just kind of get my trading fix in while I'm eating dinner. These are the bots. Yeah, I know. It was crazy, huh? Last night. It was a great show. I had great numbers. As far as views go. Chris B, we're going to give away a Lucid account, 50K test account. Do I trade ICT? I do not. Dakota's, yeah, I agree, Israel. Yeah. Pretty good trader. But, yeah, we've had some, we've gone back and forth on the old X before. Which is probably why they got rid of my invite for Top Step. I don't know. Top Step TV. They revoked my, they revoked my invitation. My chair was blocking my light there. I like Jay too. Yeah, I think Jay's good people. Do I trade in the New York? I do not. No. Thank you, Tony. Yeah, no, it's the channel's growing great. I can't be happy. I can't be more happy. I don't know, Jen. I don't know. It was a little strange. They took back the Letterman jacket. I know. I got the I still got the hat. The Top Step hat, the payout hat. Do I have a video on strategies? I do, yeah, for sure. I have a few videos. If you just look in my long forms, there's a few. There's a link in the chat to one of them, and then I made another one recently. But yeah, I mean, double A. I mean, just watch me every night. I'm real transparent. I try to explain all my trades, what I'm thinking, things like that. My trading style is very simple on a 5-minute chart. It's very simple. Still looking for 348. Let's go. I like it. Yeah, I think we pop. Yeah, looking at the gap up here, things like that. Yeah, I think we could pop for sure. Thank you, JLD 54. Yeah, past that trade day account. So yeah, I've been trading. This week has been very good. So good I barely want to trade tomorrow, to be honest with you. Because it's just like I've just been crushing it this week. Absolutely on fire. Just massive payouts this week. For me. Not $500,000 in payouts, you know. But for me, some big payouts. And yeah, just been trading well. I feel good. I feel like I've been a little more patient. So I've been I got this strategy, this gold strategy that I started running, and it has not worked yet, but it has a 30% win rate. So I don't expect it to win too often, but it is tough. You know, when you take it and then lose it day after day after day. But I gotta trust my testing, and now I'm forward testing. So it's a very systematic trade, but I'm not willing to talk about it yet, but it's pretty cool. Let's see if I can pull it up on TradingView on Pine Scripts. Just for fun. There we go. Let's see. All right, watching the chart here, we're kind of going sideways after a little pump. I don't have much of an idea right now. Take a look at gold as well. Gold just kind of slow grinding up. I kind of like these. Throw the 9 up there when you start getting those slow grinds. So like today when we had that slow grind down, this is a little tip too that I like to do sometimes. Now I don't really use SMAs or EMAs, but when you start getting that slow grind or slow grind up, slow grind down, I'll throw that 9 on there, and then I'll just look for a scalp off it with the NQ, and it even works with gold too. So you can see like today, as we were pushing down, you know, it comes back, it touches the 9, you can get little scalps off it. Bang, 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 bang. It's a little trick. Let's see. How do you do 500K? I don't know. SJP? No, it's best to sit on your hands. If you don't like it, it's best to sit on your hands. Nice. Is Asia my main session? No, I just stream for Asia, Globex, and you know, the start of Asia. Let's go, Brady. You got a live account today? Let's go. How much did I get in payouts this week? So if I take this take profit trader payout, so 3,000 from Lucid, and then let's do math. Is this the funded account? Where's the funded account? This is the funded account. What is up with my... Oh no. Project X, sign me out. So... So 3,000 from Lucid. Time back into trade day. Sign in to Rise. Holy NASDAQ. NASDAQ just rug pulled here. Nine. Wow. Nasdaq just rug pulled there. Let's take a look at gold. So $8,840 in payouts if I take this payout. Without taking this payout, it's what, like $4,500 or something like that. I reset an account, so you get a minus like $650 out of that. I reset like a few of my funded futures accounts. I bought a few of those, so probably like $300 or $400 in my funded futures accounts. I didn't buy any trade. I bought 2 trade day accounts. That's $200. So yeah, pretty net profitable over this week. Good start to the month, right? So yeah, good start to the month. Daily payouts. I'm telling you, daily payouts, like, it's so awesome. Like, if you get to that point and start taking out those daily payouts, it just really adds up. Sorry, I missed a lot of the chat. I was trying to figure it all out. All right, gold pulling back here. Put in an inside bar, kind of swept it right at the open. Those are tough to take just before the top of the hours. That's another little trick. Top of the hour inside bars can be a little tricky. So, but yeah, what a bounce on Nasdaq! Wow. Came back, tested that 5-minute opening range candle, and then just bounced again. So right back to where it's at. For trade day, do you have to have Project X installed on your PC? No. So Project X is, it's cloud-based. It's web-based. So when does Asia really start? It just started. Yep. Because of the clock change. Because Asia, they don't change the clocks. Because we just went back an hour. So you can see right here on Forex Factory. If you look. So Tokyo just started right here. And so we're in the Tokyo session right now. Because they don't change their clocks, so you gotta go back an hour. That's why it's been a little bit slower at like 8 o'clock or so. How it used to be. Now we're getting that volatility. Wow, what a flag break there. Too close for your stop. I hate Globex. Oh, his royal trades. Then it. Oh, now it's bounced right to your take profit. That's so frustrating. So frustrating. 97 short. Let's go. Thank you, Lobber. Brady Bust. Yeah, I love Take Profit Trader. Me too. So Take Profit Trader, Trade Day, My Funded Futures right now are like some of my tops. Like that's like my top 3 right at this moment. I do like Apex. I do like Buellanox. I do trade with all these companies. But right now with these daily payouts and the $56 for the core account, I mean, you really can't beat that. End of day drawdown. I mean, I'm sorry, you just can't. Being able to withdraw 50% of your profits, 5 days of $100 or more with My Funded Futures. I mean, this is like the golden age. An account like that used to cost $300-400 bucks. Let's go, Brady. Taking a payout every day since 1020 of a 1,000 or more. Ran up another account to 13,000 profit and then said you're going to live. Let's go, Brady. Yeah. So the Take Profit Trader will move you to live, which is okay because then you get the 90-10 split. And yeah, it's a much better deal because like when I take, I mean, an extra 10% when you take a payout, you know, that really adds up. Take Profit Trader versus Trade Day. So I actually made a little short video about that. I want to check it out. So between the two, I do like Take Profit Trader because of the eval. The eval is much easier to pass in a way for me because with Trade Day you have to trade it for 5 days, same as Take Profit Trader, but with Trade Day you have to stay under 30% consistency, and that is difficult for some. There's a little link in the chat. This little Trade Day versus Take Profit Trader short I made. If for 50k XFA, do I trade single micros or should you trade single micros? Well, I can't tell you what to do. I can't give you financial advice, but for me, here's the problem. I think trading small with 1 micro is perfectly fine, and I think that depending on what you did to pass that account, you should just stick with what you did to pass the account. I think you should keep trading whatever you traded. For me, if I go to 1 micro, I'm gonna overtrade the crap out of that account. That's just me. I'll make 100 trades. That's just me, but I like to trade a little more size. But it's all where you're at. I mean, some guys can just crush with 1 micro. But yeah, just keep it. Yeah, I mean, you only get $2,000 worth of drawdown. You know, I think you want to give yourself a few days, like a few stops. So like, let's just say you use a 20, 30, 40 point stop. You're going to want to size accordingly to give yourself, you know, 4, 5, 6 stops in a row before you would end up blowing your account, right? Maybe 7, 8 stops. So kind of look at it like that. But yeah, just what's the saying? Dance with the one that you brought. Dance with the one you brought to the party or something like that. So yeah, so whatever you did to get to the XFA is probably what you want to do. But not financial advice. No consistency with My Funded Futures once you're funded. The evals are 50% consistency. But Take Profit Trader is a 50% consistency on the evals, so I do like that. You can also have 5 accounts with Take Profit Trader. Trade Day, you can only have 3. with trade day, anything over $2,000 you can withdraw, but it has, well, not anything, but it has to be over $250 to be able to make a withdrawal with trade day. So 2,250, basically you have to be over that to make a withdrawal. Take Profit Trader, you could literally, if you're over 2,000 bucks, you could take $50 out and put it in your virtual wallet on Take Profit Trader. So you can take little baby payouts to pay for your lunch if you choose. Trade day, you have to be over 250 bucks, but which is not, you know, 250 bucks is not easy all the time. Today one micro worked. It did, Tony Schwartz. Yeah. Funded Next, yeah, I've heard of them. I haven't traded with them though. Dance with the one you brought. Yeah. Thank you, Visible ID. I knew it was something like that. $450 to pass the TPT eval. Or no, it's not. It's not 450. The eval is only 100 bucks, guys. Take Profit Trader is like 100 something. 40% off, no activation fee right now. Take Profit Trader. Use code PINE, all caps. All right, we are back to the VWAP. We are just chopping. Alex, doing excellent. Yeah, no, I had a great week so far. Yeah, we just took a payout live online with Lucid. If you guys want to rewind to the beginning of the stream and check out the Lucid payout I just took, not photoshopped. We did it live. The last Lucid payout, I got some guy in the comments or the video said I photoshopped it, but whatever. I don't even know how to do if you guys have been with me long enough, you know I barely know how to turn on my computer, let alone Photoshop. And then I said, why would I use Photoshop when I can use AI? I just use ChatGPT. It's way easier. Anyways, I was just trolling the troll. Anyways, but if you want to rewind back, you can see like how fast it was. That's the reason why I wanted to show it. Like it literally was less than a minute and it got approved. So with Lucid. So just another newer company that's coming up. I like them so far. I think they're great. I've gotten 2 payouts with them. And I just think that instant payouts, like pretty much instant, like the faster the payouts you can get, that's what we want as traders, because we can just go back. We can now just go ahead and go about our business and just trade those accounts, you know? We don't have to wait forever. So I think a lot of the prop companies are coming out with that, where they're just really fast payouts, and then I do appreciate that. So anyways, that was a little ramble. Has the giveaway started? No, I haven't started it yet because I was just kind of like gonna wait till like before the bots just like come in and just go crazy. How much is to make a prop firm? I don't even know. I bet it's millions, right? So anyways, so we passed the eval earlier today. I actually have to sign in. I actually have to flip this account. I gotta flip this account. This is a past account, so let me see if I can flip it. Alright, so I just flipped this account. So I literally just got in and out real quick. That's what they call flipping. I can show you. Actually didn't lose any money, which is always nice. So yeah, total P&L 0, which is good. So this account right here is passed as well, this Take Profit Trader account. You can see right there. We made a 1-second trade there. Made 50 cents, but with the commissions, it wiped out to 50 cents. which is 0. So that always impresses Coach Fred. "5 minutes before." I'll start it in like 15 seconds. You know, what sucks about it is that it's by having the thing in the exclamation point behind it, it really helps out the channel because of the chat rate. That's one of the things with the algorithms is the chat rate. And so like the exclamation point behind really helps with the chat rate. But yeah, if I run it the whole show, we just got tons of bots. So. Plus, we only got 176 likes. We got to get it up to 220 likes. So if you guys haven't liked the video so far, we got 255 people watching. So we should be able to get 220 likes. Or no giveaway. We'll do it Sunday. So smash the like button if you haven't already. That helps out the channel. Let me sign back in. It's a trade day here. I got logged out for some reason. We were working on seeing if we could pass that other account. So this is a little trade day, not a trade day. This is a little strat that I've been working on. So it's a very low win rate, right? So if you backtest it the last year, if you go like the last 90 days, I don't know why that didn't work. Not sure why that didn't work. Hold on. So anyways, it wins when it wins big. That's weird. So stop outs only like $250, but the average winning trade with one gold contract, so this is one GC. So the average winning trade, this, well, wait, hold on. This is messed up. Hold on. Sorry. Okay. All right, last 90 days right here. So yeah, one gold contract, right? And so if you look at the trade analysis, the average winning trade is right around $4,795. The average losing trade is $230. So like I have a plan with it on what I'm gonna do. with certain accounts and rotating certain accounts, and it's just one trade. And basically it's like what we were talking about earlier, is about holding the trades all day. The largest winning trade is 10,190. Yeah, it's just one gold contract, so it's pretty interesting. It only has a 26.92% winning rate, so you go through a lot of losses, but when you hit big. So yeah, it's a negative win rate for sure. It's very interesting. So yeah, so that's something that I'm forward testing now, and I've been putting on the live, not the live markets, but some of the prop accounts. So yeah, so when I win, it's gonna be a big winning day. It's pretty interesting. But yeah, it's just one gold contract. This is the last 90 days. Not willing to share it yet. I can't share the secret sauce yet. How did I do with its volatile market? I loved it. Is that one mini or micro? It's one mini gold contract. Yep. Yeah, so the drawdown, so here's the thing. So with the max drawdown, it's $1,150, right, for the max drawdown in the last 90 days, which is pretty good. But like what my plan is, the rotating accounts with it, right? Doing the prop game. And so like I'll trade it like one day on one account, one day on the next account, so on. Right? So I'll just like, so yeah, it's so that's a little trick too, as far as like rotating accounts. It's a pretty good way of doing things, if you're trading systematic, if you have a systematic trade. It's kind of neat how that works. All right, let's go back to trade day here. So we just passed an account earlier, which is sweet. I'm starving. I had Chipotle for lunch. Chipotle, extra guac. Had a nice payout, so I got extra guac. Let's see. All right, sign back into trade day here. For some reason it logged me out. All right, gold's pumping, NQ pumping. We are gonna fire up the giveaway. Michael Harder, thanks so much for the sub. Yeah, Cranston, I haven't even opened them up yet. I'm gonna do it right now. Wait, do we got our 220 likes? That's the thing. Do we got our 220 likes? Let's see, giveaway. Exclamation point pine in the chat. Yeah, that's right. That's right, Gary. Rich like PW Chipotle. That's right. Let's go, Tommy. Nice trade. Let's go, Coach Singh. Appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. Hey, Ragnar Rock. What is up? Doing great. Great day today. Yeah, I had a good day, Ethan. For sure. Yeah, I had a good day. Watching gold here. Gold's been a little bit slower. Not gonna lie, gold's been a little bit slower lately, though. It still can move for sure, but let's go. Yeah, we got 200 and a little over 225 right now. So we talk about the trades we took earlier. So the first trade we took, if you guys are just tuning in, if you're interested, if not, then whatever. But so we put in an ORB. My thinking was we pushed down, swept that ORB low, we pushed back up, put up a pin bar, or what I like to call haramis, or pin bar, hammer, whatever you want to call it. We ended up hopping in long off that bullish bar. My whole thinking was we're going to take out the other side of that ORB. And then we got another extra confirmation. We pulled back in and we took out the inside bar. So that triggered another long. We ended up taking out the ORB on MNQ, which actually looks different than NQ. So we took that out. Here, we swept it by the wick. And when I saw that, I was like, oh, NQ never did that. So I ended up hopping in another long with NQ and took some heat. It came right back down into the VWAP right here, and then ended up bouncing and breaking this bear bull flag, and then get a little pop. And I got most of what I needed to pass this account. And then we got a little bit of a pullback off this thing, off this bar here, and I hopped in the short. I just needed 50 bucks, and we took the 50 bucks. So that's all the trades we've taken tonight so far. Now we're just waiting, waiting for a nice setup. I'm not really seeing too much right now. I got another trade day eval pulled up that I would love to get past and have 3 trade day accounts for Monday. Yeah, sure, Ethan. I'm sure it did. Yeah, you're in there. Yeah, you're in there like, you're like in the top 10, Ethan. You're all good. It's Mo, bro. What's up? Smash the thumbs up. Let's go. Yeah, just kind of waiting on another setup here. Not quite an inside bar. We actually swept that high. But yeah, market overall looking pretty bullish for this evening. I mean, we pretty much just kind of grinded up. So far. Gold doing the same thing. Gold's doing the grindy up. Yeah, Wes had a great day. Yeah, great day. Yeah, I crushed it today. Thank you, Wes. It is pumping. Gold is pumping. Above 4,000 now. Yeah, Zen, for sure. Yep. There's a gecko in your bedroom. Oh, yeah, you're in Costa Rica, right? Design, what is up? I think Costa Rica, right? I'm sure you guys are in there. Sometimes what it does is that, depending on the settings you have, that the chat bot doesn't, display it. On my alt account, it does that for some reason. You're in there, Nova. You're in there. Maybe can help you save 15% or more. It's Mo, bro. Let's go. Still looking for that 48. Let's go. It should get there. I mean, I think it'll get there. Yeah, Costa Rica. Nice. See how many bots? So yeah, I mean, a lot of people use they put their alt accounts in, which is, you know, which whatever. I can't stop that. It's fine. But yeah, 500 was a lot. That was crazy. I mean, a lot of people stop in and then they leave too. If Maple Tree Trader wins the moose race, we know who it is. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, no problem, Nova. Hey, Justin. Yeah, I'm a full-time trader. Full-time trader, full-time YouTuber. I was a full-time trader twice. I've been a full-time trader twice. I went broke the first time. Had to go back to work. Lost 70K the first time around of real money, not prop money. That is a lot. Yeah, you guys see it, find it in my long form video. It's my most watched long form video. There it is, if you guys want to watch it. See my pain. You can see my pain in my voice. That was a long time ago. How long did I last the first time? You know, that's a good question. That's very personal. How long did I last the first time? Probably 5 seconds. But when it came to trading, yeah, let's see. Yeah, I don't know. Probably 6 months or so, like a good 6 months. And then I wiped it out in 2 days. Like I wiped out all my capital in basically 2 days. Like 2 major tilt sessions. Ayo. That's right, Brandon. Ayo. he was, yeah, that's right, his role. Yeah, for sure. Wow, we are ripping. Oh, just give his Royal Trades that 48. He just wants that 48 and he'll go away. It's being stubborn right at that 50. I'm not leaving diamond hands. Yeah, it's just being stubborn at that 50 level. Where I do options? Yeah, it was with options, Gary. Yeah. I wasn't doing the Wall Street bet stuff, but it was with like SPY options and QQQ options. But yeah, my major loss was SPY options. What's up, Adam? Yeah, 30K in one day. Like 30K in one day, I did it twice. Yep. So yeah, I lost 30,000 in each. Do I stream in New York? No, I don't, UFO. It's just, like, I don't get the viewers. I get like 20 people watching me. Maybe. Tonight I have 280 something at one point, so. Yeah, 30K hurts twice, yeah, so I had to go back to work. No, 0 day option, just zero day directional options. Like, it was just stupid. I learned my lesson, so it was a hard lesson, but yeah, it wasn't even anything technical, you know. Oh, PJ contract, ouch, yeah. Yeah, I mean, I didn't really have a whole lot of money anyway. What happened was I was a mail carrier for the Postal Service, and then ended up just making some good investments while I was working full time. And then I ended up buying some foreclosed properties, and then I would fix them up on the nights and the weekends, and I would do all the work myself. And I ended up buying like four houses basically, and then 2 of them I got ready to go, and I was renting them out for a while, and then I stopped doing that, and then I ended up just selling them, and then I quit the Postal Service and started trading full time. And after I sold those 2 houses, and then I ended up losing all my capital basically, and then I ended up having to go back. I had a house that I had not fixed up yet, and I ended up renovating that myself, and I basically took every single credit card, Home Depot, Lowe's, whatever credit I could get my hands on, and I maxed them all out to finish that house. And in order to pay my day-to-day bills while I was fixing up those houses, and like I said, I did all the work myself. I was door dashing like at night and stuff too, to basically pay my, you know, everyday bills. I was door dashing, doing the Uber Eats things, and then finally got that house finished. Took years off my life, but I got it done in like 5 months or so. And I was able to sell that house for a good chunk of change. So that's how I ended up getting back into trading again. And then in the meantime, I was building my own house. I've been building my own house for basically since I graduated high school. I got the job at the Postal Service. I was 20 years old. So like 3 years out of high school, three years out of high school, 4 years out of high school. I ended up getting a job at the Postal Service. I bought a piece of land. And then I just started clearing it, and then I built my foundation, and then my brother was helping me. He was living in the foundation for a while. He was taking over the property for a bit, and I took it back over, and then I finished the house, and Yeah, it was just crazy. I live in a, so yeah, I'm from the state of Maine. My house is in Maine. Yeah, I can't give up trading. I love it. I love trading. I love this. This is the dream now. Dash didn't do well over earnings. Yeah, dashing sucks. Yeah. Yeah, that's where the name comes from, guys. Pine Tree Trader. This is the Pine Tree State. This is the original Maine flag. So that's where I'm from. Oh, nice, Chris Briggs. I actually know a Chris Briggs. I don't think this is the same Chris Briggs, but anyways, guys, we'll do the giveaway here in 2 minutes. I'll stop it. Thank you so much. Thank you, Adam. So now it's good. Like, you know, I focus on the props. I have most of my money invested, you know, in dividend stocks, things like that. I make a nice monthly income with the dividends, and then, of course, with the channel, it's been growing, so I'm making money off this now. And then, you know, with the prop firms and stuff like that, making money off that. And then I play around with some options, but not the 0-day option stuff that I used to mess with. It's basically just like collecting premiums and things like that with the options. So that's like the income now. No more door dashing. Can I go on my setups? Yeah, it's all, I trade inside bars, outside bars, harami candles, bull flags, bear flags. Yeah, I have videos on it if you want to check out some of the videos. Alright guys, I'll give you guys alright, I'll give you guys 30 seconds to enter the giveaway. 30 more seconds. How do you get the candles to light up? Like on Tradeovate, the different colors. This is indicators. It's called Ed of the Woods Harami. That's one for the purple candles. And then I have LDT inside outside bars, and that lights up the inside outside bars. It's right there. All right, closing the giveaways. Sorry if you haven't entered. All right, good luck everyone. Let's do it. Why is it doing that? Moose race time. That's why we do the moose races too, because I'm from the state of Maine. Oh, sorry guys, hold on one sec. There we go. Sorry, my bad. screwed that up. There we go. Good luck, everyone. Good luck. 3, 2, 1. Must be present to win. This is for a Lucid 50K test account. Can't be banned from Lucid or being a disqualifying banned country or anything to win, but here we go. Good luck. Broken full port. Let's go on the outside. Here we go. We got Limit Luigi in the middle. Info Buzz. I see Info Buzz. Let's go. Who else we got? You got Sebastian out to an early lead, but then falling back. Let's go. Who we got? We got Cannon Cyber fighting for a lead here. 7 seconds to go. Who's it gonna be? We got. Oh, someone's falling back. Wow, this is a whoa! Out of nowhere. Out of nowhere, right at the end, that sprint. Oh, we had Slick Rick the Ruler coming in third. We have Vasa Viking. Are you here? Vasa Viking. Let's go. Vasa Viking 68. Let's go. Congratulations. Make 'em trades down at the bottom. Oh, right there. Vasa Viking. Let's go. Congratulations. Who finished last? Make Yuma Trades finished last. Congratulations. How can you moose go faster? It's all random. It's all random. Yeah. Vasa Vikings. You in the Discord by chance? You don't have to be, but it's easier for me to message you if you are. No. It's the one is just for fun. Yeah, the one is just for fun. It's all random. I used to think that too with the marbles game. Like, to see some people play the marbles game, I used to think, I'm like, well, how do I get in so I can control the marble? Like, I didn't know it was just all random. Congrats. So Vasa, how do you play the game? It's just, so what it is when you guys put exclamation point pine in the chat, I take the names that enter, and then I just copy and paste them into the what they call the online stopwatch, and it's a random stopwatch, right? So need to join the Discord. Let's go. You don't need to, but it's easier for me to message you. I'll put it in the chat. You got, for anyone else who wants to join the Discord, feel free. It's starting to grow, the Discord. There's the Discord link there. Yeah, you only have to enter it once, Johnny C. It doesn't do duplicates. There's a Discord, Vasa Viking. What is your Discord name? so I can look for you. That's a Viking. So I can look for you a little bit later so I can message you. Thanks, His Royal. Have a good weekend, guys. So I'm not around tomorrow, right? Because I stream at night for you guys, and we don't stream tomorrow night. So, but who knows? I might be on. I might hop on another channel or something, like My Funded Futures TV or something. You never know. Sometimes I hop on My Funded Futures TV and hang out. We'll see if they want me. Flips and fills? Alright, I got you. Awesome. Let's go. Alright. So, yeah, so a little recap of the market. So, yeah, so you guys want to rewind. You see the Lucid payout we took today. It's right at the beginning of the stream. I took it live on stream to show you guys how fast Lucid pays out. We got some great deals going on. 40% off direct and test accounts with Lucid. I love their direct accounts, to be honest with you. $59 for My Funded Future Core Flex plans. Use code PINE. I believe Apex also extended their sale. So 70% off, $40 activations fees with Apex. And you can find it all like on propcodeshub.com. That's my website. So you can check that out. But yeah, I appreciate you guys using code PINE to help support this channel. My Funded Futures Trade Day. Take Profit Trader. Trade Day, it's PINE with a capital P. And Take Profit Trader is PINE all caps. So, but yeah, Trade Day is that weird one. That's PINE with a capital P. So, let me see here. Just gonna take care of Vasa Viking here. Okay, cool. That's all done. Alright guys, I think I'm gonna call it there. Good luck the rest of the night. What's my X username? It's Pine Tree Trader. Yeah, my X Pine Tree Trader. If you guys want to follow me on X too, I'll put it in the chat. But yeah, all my stuff is on my it's on my website too. Here's the link to my website. I don't know why Streamlabs is doing that. The contest is over. Sorry guys. We'll do another giveaway though. We'll do more giveaways next week. Thank you so much. And smash the like button if you haven't already, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. me take off this moose race hat. It's hot. Thanks, guys. I appreciate you. Stay tuned for the end scene. And yeah, good luck tomorrow. So good week of trading. Good, really happy with the way I've been trading. And let's see if we can finish the week strong. We don't want to go in the weekend on tilt. That's the worst thing that can happen, right? So, anyway, guys, peace out. Have a good weekend, and I'll see you later.
I'm on a mission, the market's my canvas. Pine tree trader, that's the name, no need for the panic. Got my screens lit, watching the price move. Every tick, every chart, I'm in my groove. See an inside bar, that's a sign of a pause. The market's holding its breath, it's a break from the laws. Squeeze it up tight, coiling for a big move. I'm patient, I'm watching, got nothing to prove. Wait for the break, above or below. That's when I hit the gas, watch the profit grow. Apex funding on the line, my account's legit. Passing these challenges, ain't no time to quit. Inside out, outside in, that's the way we play. Taking that funding, stacking up profit every day. From pine tree trader to take profit, we're on a roll. Stratify's the platform, we're in full control. Now let's talk about the outside bar, it's a different scene. It's a power move, a sign of something keen. Engulfing the last one, showing dominance and might. The bears or the bulls, they're winning the fight. It's a reversal signal or a continuation of the trend. Gotta read the context all the way to the end. I'm with Take Profit Trader, they've got my back. Giving me the capital, keeping me on track. No more small accounts, no more holding back. I'm a funded trader, there's no turning back. My trades are clean, my risk is tight. I'm living this life, shining so bright. Inside out, outside in, that's the way we play. Taking that funding, stacking up profit every day. From pine tree trader to take profit, we're on a roll. Tradify's the platform, we're in full control. Tradify's the engine, the charts are crisp and clean. Executing orders, a trading machine. Got my stops in place, my targets set high. Pine tree trader strategy, under the market sky. This ain't a gamble, it's a calculated art. Every setup I see, I'm playing my part. Yeah, pine tree trader, Apex, take profit, Tradify. We're in the game, you can't deny. From inside to outside, we're ruling the charts. Building our wealth, breaking hearts, peace out. Yeah, pine tree trader, Apex, take profit, Tradify. We're in the game, you can't deny. From inside to outside, we're ruling the charts, building our wealth.